Gary Vaynerchuk has popularized this look for Instagram videos that features a headline, subtitles, a progress bar, and also resized for square or portrait format. I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to get the same look on your videos. Hey, my name is Luke Sievers and I produce videos about marketing and content creation, so be sure and hit that subscribe button to get more tips like this in the future. Now, adding elements to your videos like a headline, subtitles, or progress bar can all help to make you stand out on Instagram. But it also can add an extra 1 to 2 hours of video editing. And unlike Gary, you probably don't have a large team that's able to help crank this out for you. So if you want to know how to make Instagram videos like Gary Vee, I'm going to show you how to do this in just a matter of minutes. To do this, we're going to use an online tool called a Subtitle. So let's visit subtitle.com and get started. So after you sign up, you'll be able to start by creating a free video. So you're welcome to follow along as I go through these steps. First thing we're going to do is add a new video, and we can find our video file and drag it in here. So after it's done uploading, what it's going to do now is actually transcribe all of the speech in our video and convert that to open captions. Alright, so now as you can see, we have our subtitles, our captions, and they've been added right to our video here. Let's take a listen to this.
So many of you are so hungry for short-term gains, like maximizing the job that paid you $3,000 more, but...
Alright, so now what we can do is kind of go through this caption transcript and just kind of clean up the text because it's not a completely perfect system, and just make a few adjustments here and there. So basically what I've done is just cleaned up a few grammar mistakes, and it just took a minute or two. And I've also kind of added a few of these caption breaks here to make each of the captions a little shorter, because what I've noticed is that Gary tends to do a lot of his captions just all on one line, kind of in the bottom border there. So now let's go ahead and style our video the way Gary would. The first option that we have is to basically change our aspect ratio, and we have some different options here. So we can do a square video, we can do a portrait video, which both of those work very well on the Instagram feed, and Gary uses both of those. And you can also do a vertical video, which is perfect for IGTV videos, which again, you see Gary using a lot. For this case, I'm going to use the square video. And now we can basically edit our captions and add a headline. Let's go ahead and add a headline up here. And one thing that he often does for his headline is always makes it all caps. So let's just hit caps lock and we'll do how to make videos like Gary Vee. Awesome, and now what we can do is style both our captions and our headline. So first thing, I'm going to actually find one that kind of has maybe a white background, and so this one will work very well. And then for the headline, we'll do the same thing. They have a minimal option for the headline as well. And then so that it matches our headline style, we can actually change our background color to white. And if you decide that you want to change the caption and the headline style to match your branding, you can actually go to Manage Fonts and Colors and create your own custom styles. So let me take a second and fine tune our caption position, kind of make it centered in this bottom border here. That looks about right. And then the last thing that we can add is a progress bar, which you see on almost all of his videos. Let's scroll down here. We'll click Add Progress Bar and just kind of change the color. We'll do red for the foreground color and make the background color. We'll do, actually, let's make it completely transparent. And so we can take it and move it up here. We can kind of resize and drag if we want to. I'm going to add it kind of right below the video frame right here. That's looking pretty good. And of course we have some other styling options, like we can add a logo if we like to, but I think this is looking pretty good. So last thing we're going to do is click download, render and download. And then our final step, of course, is to post to Instagram. Let's see how this looks.
Many of you are so hungry for short-term gains, like maximizing the job that paid you $3,000 more, but it's not as fun, but you want that $3,000. For what?
So there you have it. Be sure and sign up at subtitle.com using my link in the description below, and you'll get your first video for free. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and be sure and check out some of our other videos here that you might find helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.